Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening. How are you? So I'm waiting for more people. At least I want to have like 5 participants before I go on with what we'll be doing today. Because today we'll be talking about matrix. Matrix in mathematics, very, very important topic, matrix. So I need like 5 more participants before I start. We are 2 now. Yes, we are 2. Good evening. Good evening. I've seen, okay, Eluchi Oaka. Good evening. I've seen good evening, sir. Good evening. How are you? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good evening. So we are 2 now. So I want the second person also to message and like the video, please, so that YouTube can push it to more people. Good evening. How are you? So pending the time that other people will join, maybe we should start the class. So I would like us to talk about matrix tonight. Matrix. So I'll be switching the camera of the phone towards where we'll be doing the class. Okay. So we'll be talking about matrix, please. Yeah. So let me switch the phone and you see how it goes. So we're discussing about matrix, okay? So the first thing we discuss in matrix is the addition. We talk about the addition of matrix, okay? So addition of matrix, okay? You want to add matrix is always a straightforward thing. You said hello, black man. Hello, thank you. I know I'm black, but am I so black like that? Kai, alright, sign. Thank you, thank you. You say hello, black man. Thank you. I know I'm black. I'm not that black. It's because there's no light. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for joining. Please like the video we are now for. So, addition of matrix. When you have to add matrix, if you have 2 matrices and you have to add them, let's say for example, if R is equal to, we have 1, 4, 3, 2, and X is equal to, we have 0, 4, 1, minus 5. So if you are to add this, if you are to find, for example, R plus X, you have to add in matrix, you have to take like with likes. So what we are expected to do here is that you have to say 1 plus 0. So that will be 1 plus 0. Now you take 4 with 4. That will also be 4 plus 4. So you close it down there. This with this, that's 3 plus 1. And this with this, that will be 2 plus minus 5. So if you have to solve this, so 1 plus 0, that's 1. 4 plus 4, that will be 8. 3 plus 1, that will be 4. 2 plus minus, that will be 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. So if you have another thing over there, here now, for example, if you are to find 3R plus X, if you have to find 3R plus S now, it means this R, you multiply by 3. You call that scalar. So if you want to do that, this will be, it will give us 3 into, oh, good evening, Omotayo Anyaleke, good evening. How are you? Thank you. So if you have to multiply this, you have to bring this into it because that's 3R So you bring this in. That will be 3 into 1, 4, 3, and 2. So we close the bracket. From there, we have plus x. So you have to put our plus, and we put our x. And our x is this. That will be 0, 4, 1, minus 5. I think that's right over there. So what we have to do now is this. This 3 will multiply each of the elements. That's how we do. The 3 will multiply each of the elements. So we have 3 times 1. So here also 3 times 4. So we have 3 times 4. Here 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Here we have 3 times 2. So 3 times 2, it goes like that. So plus, this will be 0, 4, 1, and minus 5. 0, 4, 1, and minus 5. Okay, as we see it there. So what we have to do now is this. So we have to 3 times 1, that's 3. So we close it like this, that's 3. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 3, that's 9. 3 times 2, that should be 6. Plus, we now have 0, 4, 1, minus 5. From what we have here, we can add directly. So you can say 3 plus 0. So 3 plus 0 will give us 3. 12 plus 4, that gives us 16. 9 plus 1, it gives us 9. 6 plus minus 5. So that's 6 minus 5, it gives us 1. Hope we are getting it, please. If we are getting what I'm saying here, please type, let me see in the message. Just type, yes, we are getting it, sir. So let me see what you are typing, please, so that I can go on. I'm waiting for you. Just tell me, yes, we are getting it. Or you just put here so that I can go on with the matrix, because I still have some other things to do. So you can see it. It's very, very simple and straightforward. So we also have 3 by 3 matrix. Oh, that's good. 2 people have said yes. So it means I can move on with anything I want to do. So we have some like that. I will send some of the assignment. I will send it in the comment section below so that we can do the assignment by ourselves. Okay, so that's that about that. So let's go to multiplication of matrix. So let's do that. So let's take for example, because what we did the other time is just scalar multiplication. Let's say for example we have R is equal to, let's take the one we did before, 1, 4, 3, and 2. Okay, and our S is equal to, we have 0, 4, 1, minus 5. And we have to find R times X. We have to find R times X. If you have to do that, we have to multiply R and S. So what we do now, the method we use is this. So when you are multiplying by each other, okay, we always have 1 to 1. That is anything that will be here. That's row 1, column 1. This is 1 to 2. This is row 1, column 2. This is 2 to 1. This is row 2, column 1. This is 2 to 2. This is row 2, column 2. Now, when we want to multiply what is here, the multiplication, we have to meet each other here, 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 or here. So how do we do that? When you are multiplying row 1 with column 1, the answer will be here. And when you are multiplying row 1 with column 2, the answer will be here. So let's go there. So this is row 1 with column 1. So let's multiply row 1 with column 1. So it means R times x will be equal to, now row 1, the first one is 1 times 0, so it will be 1 times 0 plus the second one in row 1 is 4 times 1, so that will be 4 times 1. Now the other one, row 1 to column 2, that's what will be here. So row 1 column 2, so 1 times 4, so 1 times 4 will give us 1 times 4 plus, now 4 times minus 5, that's 4 times minus 5. Okay, now here, now we are to fill this place, that's row 2 column 1, so we have to go to row 2 column 1, that's 3 times this 3 times 0, okay, plus 2 times 1. So to fill this place, we have row 2 column 2, so we have to go with row 2 column 2, so that will be 3 times 4 plus 2 times minus 5. So let's get our answer. So our answer now will be 1 plus 4. Now this is 4. That's 4 plus 4 times minus 5. That should give us minus 20. Okay. Now 3 times 0. That should give us 0 plus 2. This should give us 3 times 4. That should be 12 plus, that's minus 10. So let's finish it up now. Finish it up here. 1 plus 4, that should be 5. 4 minus 20, that should be minus 16. 0 plus 2, that should be 2. 12 minus 10, that should be 2. So this is our answer. This is the correct answer in this aspect now. This is our answer. So this is when you want to multiply a factor with another factor. So let me see our reaction to understand maybe we are really getting it, please. I need 2 or 3 people to say yes, we are getting it, so that I can continue. Okay. So I need 3 people, at least 3 people, to say yes, we got it, or we are getting it, so that I can continue with what I'm doing, please. So somebody says the answer 40. Which one? Which one are you asking that is the answer 40, please? Which of them? Is it the one I did before? Okay. If simplified, does that mean you are not getting it right? Okay, which one do you still need more light on, please? Okay, the last one, the one I'm doing now, Abi. Should I re-explain it again? You want me to explain it again so that I can go through it? Okay, let me go through it again. Okay, what I'm doing here is this. When you say R is equal to, now 1, we have 1, 4, 3, 2. That's a matrix R. And here we also have matrix of X, which is equal to 0, 4, 1, minus 5. That's another matrix over there. Now we have to find R times X. When you have to multiply, this is what I did. Now here, this is the first row. This is the what? This is the first row. Maybe I should put it like this so that you can understand. Now anything that is here, that's the first row. That's the first row. Okay, first row. That's the first row. So anything that is here is the second row. So we call it the second row. So this is the second row. Okay. Anything that comes like this is the first column. So on top, let me put it there. So that's the first column. So anything that comes here now is the second column. So that's the second column. That's the second column. Now, as it is there now, so where the first row and the first column met, that's why we come 1 to 1. Where the first row met and the second column, that's why we call it first row, second column. This place, the second row and the first column, that's why it is 2, second row, first column. Here, second row, second column, that's why second row, second column. So to get it also, that's how it goes. So anything that you want to get for this place, it has to be the first row and the first column, and that's what we did here. Okay, that's what we did. If you look at it, the first row 1 and 4, for 0 and 1, you can see 1 and 4, 0 and 1. We multiply each of them, and after multiplication we have to add it together, and after that we get our answer. I believe you understood it now. So I don't know, should we continue with this live or I should stop it now so that I can give you assignment to do, so that we meet next time by God's grace. I can still come online by Wednesday night like this by 9. I'll come online so that people can enjoy this class. So if you really understood it, please let me know. Just type I have understood. If you understand it, type I understood, so that we can call it a day. I will now give you assignment to do. So if you understood it, just type I understand. So if I can see 2 or 3 people that typed, I can call it a day. So that I will give you assignment on it, please, for you to go through it. So as I did last week, I told people to send a topic that you want us to treat. So I will finish this matrix the next class. Hopefully, maybe by Wednesday, I will come online again. So before then, we shall see. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye. 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 Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Yes.